Turn, yes, you're turning. Can you kick it with your toe? Your foot? There you go. Good job.
Kick. Ball.
Are you kicking the ball?
Truck.
Say, I am kicking the ball.
Truck.
Did it bump the truck?
Truck.
It bounced off the truck.
Get it. In.
Does it fit? A little big. Looks like a great big pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Yes, it looks like a big pumpkin. Boop. Good kick. Good job. There it is. Should we move the truck out of the way?
No.
No, you like the truck there? Okay. All right.
Ride.
Ride. Is the ball going for a ride?
No.
Stop, turn. Wow.
Shut. Shut.
That's where we blow, to put the air in.
And get down.
Yes, we have to push it down so the ball can bounce. If we take it out, then the air will come out and you can't play with the ball.
No.
No, so we want to keep it in. Now it's bouncing. Oh, wow, that was great. Whoa, look how tall. How high it went. Be careful though. Oh, be careful about the lamp. We don't want to do it by the lamp. Do it out here in the middle of the floor. Right here in the middle of the rug. Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think we better do it the other way. I think I'll stand over here. We'll protect. Oh. That went over your head. There it goes. Woo! Did you throw it? But we better not throw it. Let's just kick it on the floor so that we don't bump the lamps, okay? Keep it on the floor and kick it.
Kick it.
Yeah. The little...
Kick it.
You're going to get your green ball? Okay. Can you kick your green ball? Good job. Wow.
I did it.
Yes, it went under the table, didn't it? I'll get it.